Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. A new learning program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. In this video, I am going to explain one of the most important long answer type problem. We can expect like these problems in the board examination. Keep on watching. Don't miss the video till the end. That will helpful for you. One more thing, I am requesting you, if you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel. If you did not watch the previous videos, then do watch the previous videos by clicking this I button. As well as you can go with playlist also. Quadratic equations, long answer type problem. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters, find the sides of the two squares. Let us see what is given in this problem. So sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters, it is given by 24 meters. Find the sides of two squares. See here. So first you can take here, this is the first square you have to take, and this is one more square you can take. So the difference of the perimeters is given. Also the sum of the areas also given. This is the first square. This is I am taking as second square. See here. This perimeter I am taking capital A, I am taking perimeter, and this perimeter, second square perimeter I am taking as capital B I am taking. So see here. So let the side of the square equal, I am taking as x I am taking. So what about the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square equal, we know the formula. What is the perimeter of the square? That is 4 into side. So here what is the side? Here side is x, means 4 into x. That equal 4x meters. This one also you can take the meters. Now here we got the first square perimeter, we got it 4x meters. 4x meters. Now this is I am taking as capital A I am taking. Now second square you can take. So perimeter of the second square equal capital B I am taking. Capital B. So here given the difference of their perimeters equal 24 is given. So the difference means minus we need to take. So given the difference of their perimeters equal 24 meters is given. The difference of their perimeters is 24. Difference means we need to take the minus. So this is the first square, this is the second square. So first square perimeter we got here 4x. Second square perimeter we don't know, as it is b only you can take. So a minus b equal 24. So A means perimeter of the first square, it is 4x minus B equal 24. So this minus B you can transpose to right, this 24 you can transpose to left. So 4x minus 24 equal to B. So what is B? B means perimeter of the second square. Therefore, perimeter of the second square B equal, we got it here, 4x minus 24 we got it. So what is the perimeter of the square? That is S, 4 into side. So 4 into side equal 4x minus 24. So 4 into side equal, right side you can take, 4 as a common you have to take. So 4 I took the common, means here x remained minus 4 6 are 24, means x minus 6 we got it. Both sides 4 and 4 get cancelled. So side equal x minus 6. Therefore side of the second square equal x minus 6 meters. So side of the first square we took, x we took, we got second square. Side of the second square we got it here, x minus 6 meters we got. Here for us given, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. Now you can find out area of the first square, area of the first square. So what is the area of the square? That is side into side. That equal side of the first square is x into x, that equal x square meter square or square meters. Now again you can find out area of the second square also. Area of the second square equal side into side only. So otherwise you can take s square also. So area of the side of the first square. What is the side of the second square? Second square is x minus 6. So area of the second square means side into side, that is x minus 6 into x minus 6 meter squares. So here you can expand x into x, x square, minus x into 6, 6x, minus 6 into x, 6x, minus into minus plus 6 is the 36. That equal x square minus 6x minus 6x minus 6x, that is minus 12x plus 36 meter square. Now I will clean here and I will write. We got here area of the second square, we got it x square minus 12x plus 36 meter square, we got it. So here given, what is given? Sum of the areas of two squares equal 468 meter square. Two squares. So area of the first square we got it here x square plus sum means we need to take the plus. Second square we got it here x square minus 12x plus 36 equal 468. Now here x square plus x square both are same sign, plus plus. So x square plus x square is 2x square minus 12x plus 36. This 468 you can transpose to left, we are getting minus, we are getting. So 2x square minus 12x. Now minus 468 plus 36. So 1 plus 1 minus, what we need to do? Subtraction. 468 to, we need to take subtraction 36 we need to take. So here 432 means minus 432 equal to 0. So in this total we need to take 2 as a common. 2 we are taking common means x square minus 2 6 are 12x minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6 are. 2 into 216, 432 equal 0. So x square minus 6x minus 216 equal 0. Now we are using the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? S, it is x equal minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we can write it here using quadratic formula. So using quadratic formula means what is a here and what is b and what is c. So a means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 6. C is constant term, that is minus 216. Now we can write it x equal minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal minus b. Minus as it is only, b means minus 6 plus or minus under root b square. B square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 216 by 2 into 1. I will clean here and I will write that equal minus of minus 6, that becomes minus into minus plus 6 under root minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 whole square means minus 6 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Minus into minus, here we are getting plus. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 216, that is 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 4 1 are 4. 6. 4 2 are 8. Means 4 into 216, 864 by 2, that equals 6. Here x equal 6 under plus or minus under root. So 36 plus 864, that becomes root 900 by 2. So what is the value of root 900? That is 30s. So x equal 6 plus or minus 30 by 2. One time you can take the plus, one time you can take minus. So x equal 6 plus 30 by 2 and x equal 6 minus 30 by 2. So x equal 30 plus 6, 36 by 2. 2 1s are 2 18s are. So x equal minus 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2 12s are. Means we are getting minus 12. So here we got x value is 2, we got it. X equal to 18, we got it. X equal to minus 12, we got. So which one we need to take? So x cannot be minus, negatives. So why? Because measurements always we can take in the positive direction. So if x equal to 18, the side of the first square x equal 18 meters, and the side of the second square x minus 6, that equal 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12 meters. So if we can take x value is 18, the side of the first square we got it 18 meters and side of the second square we got it 12 meters. So we got the two answers. So it is right or wrong, once you have to check it. So how we have to check it? So sum of the areas of two squares is 468, it is given. So you can check it, you are getting that answer also.